Hi guys, happy new year, and I hope you've started off your year on the right foot, and welcome back. If you're new here, feel most welcome. My name is Phoebe Monicah, and this channel is all about home cleaning, home organization, and home decor. And if that is area of interest, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and do not forget to hit the notification button so that you get notified each and every time I post new videos. So the main thing that I want to share with you today is how to remove grout and mold in the bathroom tiles. I know most of you have asked me this question severally, so today it will just be a little experiment. I will be sharing with you because it was also a learning process for me, and so please stay tuned till the end of the video if you've ever had a problem with cleaning your bathroom tiles. I will also be tidying up the living room because the throw covers and the throw blankets are way too dirty, so I need to wash them and give them at least a little bit refresh. So guys, before I start on anything else, I want to first of all put these throw covers in the washer first, so that by the time I'm done with cleaning the house, they'll have dried. And today I want to try this Persil lavender. I want to try this. I've never used this lavender detergent, so I want to try it and see how. I want to compare if it's better than the other one, because I'm so used to using the other one. I actually started using this Downy quite recently, and so far I love it, and I love it so much for the bedding and also for the curtains. But for our clothes, I usually use this stuff. Actually, this is what I've been telling you most of the time. This is what I use for our clothes, and also for my baby's clothes. He uses the purple one. I love this. It's so soft for our clothes. And for this one, this is our bathroom, and this is one place that has actually been so challenging cleaning because of the grout. You see the way the grout has formed. You see the way grout has formed in between the tiles. It has actually been so challenging, and I've never actually found a solution on this. Because what I normally do, I usually clean my bathroom using this Astonish bathroom cleaner, but what this does is it removes the scum from the wall, from the tiles so effectively, but for the grout part it never does that actually. So what I want to do today is I want to do an experiment. I just want to try a little experiment on just a section of the tiles where the grout has formed, and see if it works. Some of you have been asking me about how to clean your bathroom tiles where the grout has formed, but I've never actually answered most of you because I really don't know. I've never known the solution. So what I want to do now is let's give it a try. Let's do the experiment together and see if it works, guys. Then at least a problem will be solved for most of us, right? If it fails, guys, then it fails. But I'll never stop seeking for a solution on how to remove grout. But for now, let me do what I have in mind. And the products that I'll be using for that experiment is I'll be using this Clover's Bicarbonate of Soda. I'll be using Bicarbonate of Soda. Unfortunately, I only have 2 tins. I only have these 2. And another thing that I'll be using is this white vinegar. What I'll really do is I'll make a paste using the bicarbonate of soda with water. This is bicarbonate of soda actually. I've just placed it here, and with water, just add a little water, which I've already done. You have to form like a paste. This is water. A thick paste. Yeah, don't let it be watery. And this is the brush that I'll be using to scrub after placing the paste on the tiles. I want to give you a clear view on what I'll be doing. That's why I've zoomed in so much, so that at least you get to see whatever that I'll be doing. Now, this is our bicarbonate of soda, the paste that I've formed, and okay, I don't know how it will stick, and I hope it does. It's actually a lot of work. So this is what I want to do. I'm just going to work on a small section, not the whole back room, because I'm still not sure if it will work. I'm out of the product. So right now, guys, what I'll do, I'll let it, the way it is, I'll let it sit for like 30 minutes, and then I'll come in with the vinegar. The moment of truth. Let's see. This is white vinegar that I've placed in here. So let's see. So what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to just do like this, spray. You see that the way it forms. Yeah. So then I scrub. I'm supposed to go bit by bit. Wow, it has actually come out. Wow, okay, this is a lot of work. It is so tiring. So guys, I don't know if you're able to see, but I can tell that that little experiment has worked, because I was working on this space, this one, and as you can see, the grout has actually come out. It is much better than the way it was, because if you compare this side, which I've not done, from this side, you see, yeah, it is actually different. It has actually done the work. So, but the only disadvantageous thing is doing that to the whole bathroom is quite, I know it can be so tedious, but now that I want to have a clean bathroom, I think I'll just have to do the whole bathroom. Not today though. Today I just wanted to share with you that experiment and see if it actually works. And so guys, that's it for me today, and thank you so much for joining me and for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so for more motivational and cleaning videos. And if you did enjoy this one, please feel free to leave a comment down below, and do not forget to like and also to share. I'll see you in the next one.